Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I am back with a new giveaway game, fun game, and this is called Ask Me a Question. Simple as that. Now, all you've got to do to take part in this fun game is to ask me a question. You can ask me a question about anything that you like. Now, this is what's going to happen. So you've got 24 hours or till tomorrow when I do the video to ask a question. You get one question a day. Now, I'm not promising I'm going to answer it. You can ask me anything about crafting or about my life in general. If you just pretend like you're sat in front of me. Obviously, we're all friends now. So just chat to me, ask me a question. Now, if your question gets answered tomorrow, then your name is going to go into a bowl. And I'm going to run this for a couple of days. So, if I answer your question every single day, you can have 3-4 entries into the pot for this giveaway. Every question that is answered by me, I will add something extra to this giveaway. I already have a little pile started here now. Now, if I get 30 people ask me a question, I could answer 10 of those. I could answer 15. I could answer 20. All of those entries will go into the pot. And then I'm going to ask and get you to ask another question and the next day and so on. So you can get a couple of entries into this giveaway. And like I said, every question that is answered, something will get added to this. So if there's 15 of you that I answer your question, there's going to be 15 more things going into this just for one day. So this could be a big giveaway, but I'm saying to you, I'm not going to answer probably everybody's, but there again, I might. We'll see. Or it depends what you ask me. So all you have to do is be a subscriber, ask me a question. If your question gets read out and answered, then you get an entry into this giveaway. Let me show you what I've added so far. So there's this pack of 15 sheets of card, and there is red, blue and white in here. I'm not quite sure how big these are, but it doesn't really matter, I suppose. So they are 4 3/4 by 5 3/4. So they're good card bases or mats. I've also put one of these pockets in that I made with a lovely little sentiment and word, I should say, and then it's got a pocket here, great for journals or just to tuck in to something, all decorated up with book pages and fabric and yummy stuff, vintage book. And then I have some little ephemera pieces that I've backed onto coffee dyed paper. There's a lovely little pussycat one, bingo, just some flowered ones, just little tuck spots and ephemera for you to add into your journals, etc. And I've put some of these lovely paper roses in here as well. Lovely vintage roses. So all you have to do is ask me a question, and then tomorrow I will answer these questions. This is going to be fun. And like I said, then you can get an entry into this giveaway. And in a couple of days, I don't know if I'm going to run it for 3 or 4 days. We'll see how it goes. But this could be a big pile by the end of it. So I hope you're all going to take part. I know that it's a bit one-sided, you getting to know me, but I'm getting to know you kind of in the process anyway. So let's see what happens. I'm looking forward to it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I look forward to your questions, and I shall see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.